Hello, baby. I'll be the Chiaka Cinema High Xposed GH. The name is still Ben Bruce. I don't subscribe, the two plan now on sir. I can be Ibrahim Traore, the man of the moment, the man of the hour. Nansaya nipa boni bi eka so mbebe kuno. Na nyame otia sinti otutu na ne fa na so. Eguti mra.
Africa is in shock. A chilling assassination attempt on Burkina Faso's revolutionary leader, President Ibrahim Traore, was foiled just seconds before the trigger was pulled. This breaking story is shaking global politics, and what's even more disturbing, rumors say powerful foreign forces may have been involved. What really happened? Earlier today, during a national youth empowerment summit in Ouagadougou, a man disguised as a security officer got within 10 meters of President Traore, carrying a high-powered concealed weapon. Just as the gunman raised the weapon, Traore's elite guards tackled him to the ground in front of live cameras. Screams erupted from the crowd. Traore remained calm, signaling to the people, "I am not afraid. Burkina Faso will not kneel." Who was behind it? The would-be assassin is reportedly not a local, and initial investigations link him to foreign-funded organizations operating in West Africa. Intelligence sources claim the man received money from a foreign bank account and traveled from a neighboring country just days before the attack. One anonymous government insider said, "This wasn't random. This was a well-planned attempt, possibly orchestrated by forces that fear Africa rising." Western reaction raises eyebrows. While most African leaders condemned the attempt, Western silence is loud. The US and France have yet to make official statements, causing online speculation to explode. Social media users are asking, why aren't the West speaking up about the attempt on Africa's most fearless leader? Are they involved? Traore speaks out, unshaken and defiant. Hours after the incident, Traore addressed the nation. "They tried to silence me, but I speak for the people. As long as I breathe, Africa will rise. Not even a bullet can stop this revolution." Crowds flooded the streets in solidarity, chanting, "We are all Traore. Africa is awake." The aftermath. Security tightened. Support grows. The gunman is in custody, and interrogation is underway. Security across Burkina Faso has been heightened, with military units stationed around government facilities. Traore's support has skyrocketed, with Africans across the continent calling him the bulletproof voice of Africa. Could more attempts be coming? With Traore's rise threatening foreign control, experts warn this may not be the last attack. But the people say they can't kill a movement. Even if they take him, the fire he started will never die. This is no longer just about Burkina Faso. This is about the future of Africa. Do you stand with Traore? Comment below and share before this story disappears.
Where you CIA dealings, you catch us CIA. Senya omukum Kwame Nkrumah. Now omukum Lolumba Osamaya. Na omukum Thomas Sankara sana na mpesa omukum Ibrahim Traore ba woni bibi ade anyame aka no aka me say 2020 ni esim no me kan say me say African resurgence, another say the awakening of the African man ni Bible la kan afa na ebem etunim. No amount of shooting will kill Ibrahim Traore. That is a fact. Na the kromfo no if you are that stupid for the CIA and the other agencies to kill this great leader, then your foolishness will never know bounds. Because you really have what history to look at. When Kwame Nkrumah was killed, what came over Ghana? Ghana yankwasi brain na efi the uprising and the removal of what Kwame Nkrumah. Tell your progress. Lolumba is the same thing up to now. Congo, they are still in Kwasi Asamsa. Kwasu ni bibi. Nyame edu baby ya. Oyi obi now. Oyi okandini. te sɛ nyame Washington ɛma America Abraham Lincoln nyame Abraham Lincoln ma America or leading America out of the woods into the light no saa na nyame timi yi nkofo bi te sɛ Kwame Nkrumah Lumumba great men Muhammad Gaddafi Thomas Sankara Bauni Bibi the African mind kwasia mind you know we shut these people down now I pray to Almighty God say nyame mbo papa ho ban etuo bia ne abrafo no beto no etuo ni sanko abrafo no so we will sit down for this time say obi oye great person say me I derive a lot of inspiration from this man but mama who said the African man is capable it mean nyina ho na me nya hwehwan na papa say onko wuom ene enka de besi we will protect this man I'm telling you that is me my vision because if this man can do something it will put pressure on the African leaders who are sleeping on the job and now Cameroonian president 93 was a person standing with Jimmy Pro Max. Yes, sir, for the last 20 years, the man doesn't even stay in his country because he's always sick. He wants to stand again. And now they are happy to say, Jimmy, with a son. The black man is a foolish person. Excuse me to say. 93. Who person somebody with him? The recession in Cameroon. I didn't say a kind. You say, your friend say, so man penny boni bedisua, mo national teams na some suffer. And then Nigeria, conform show man no show mo. I am you president no wo we chat tell. Eti senior president no so sa na national team na ye. Ene national we bia sa na ye. Na elemi. Yensua nyansa kakra. Yensua nyansa. Enti na me border we. Ye nyina ye mompa ye ma Ibrahim Traore. Etuo bia black white no meto no emfa sia e we de emfa monko na monko do aha Xposed je chefem bembro subscribe share me too man answer ka be manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.